Hi, my name is Julie. I'm with Wombat Camper, and I'm here today to show you the prototype of our B-Series truck camper. As a prototype, it's not done of the final material, but the final material will be a composite panel, and the composite panel is the same for both the base of the camper and for the top part of the camper. The camper folds down, and we'll show you that a little bit later. So the gray part will be enclosed in the roof space, and that will make from this point to the roof about 12 inches taller when you're driving down the road. On this side of the camper, you can see we've got two hatches. Currently in this hatch, there's a fridge there, so if the fridge is on a slide, you would be able to access it from inside and outside. And in this hatch, you can see that you can get to the interior, and this box here is sitting underneath the kitchen sink. We have an awning attached to the side of the camper, and you can plug into the DC socket here for the lights that are on the awning. The windows are dual-pane acrylic windows from Turnoverland, and there's a vent up at the front of the camper. One of the really nice features of this truck camper is that when the camper is on the bed of the truck, it sits on the bed rails, so you still have use of the bed of the truck. In this version, we've put the heavier items in the bed of the truck, so we have a power station below and our water tanks below. You can see the road lights, and then up at the top there's another window, and we have a max fan. On this side of the camper, we have another hatch so that you can access the interior, and then we have a 30 amp socket for hooking up to shore power. Okay, I just want to give you an idea of the interior space of the camper. This is a prototype, so we've set it up so that we can give you an idea of what kind of space is inside. We will be offering the camper as a shell. It will have a rail system in the final version so that you can fit it out yourself. You can also get other vendors to fit out the interior for you, or we can fit out the interior as an option. The bed that is currently in this camper is a queen-size mattress, and it's on struts, and it just pulls down when you're ready to go to bed. During the day, you can have it up to the ceiling to allow you access to the fridge on this side, and we have a bench seat on this side. So now we're at the back of the truck camper, and just to continue giving you an idea of the space that you have in here, there's a kitchen counter on this side with a sink, and there's a little pump here with running water. And then on this side, we actually do have a toilet and a little bathroom area. Just to say again, this is not the final product. This is a prototype just to give you an idea of what the interior space could be like. On the floor of the camper, we also have a couple hatches, and they lift up, and this allows you to get access to the bed of the truck. So I'm going to give you close up the camper so you can see how that works. Inside, there's a latch on each side. First, you want to make sure the bed is all the way down, and make sure the kitchen counter is clear and that there's not anything on any other surfaces. So I'm going to undo these latches, and I'm going to start the process of bringing it down. So I've undone the latches. I'm just going to use these handles just to kind of control the fall. Climb out of the camper. I'm going to shut the door, grab the straps on the side, pull it down the rest of the way, and do up the two latches on the side. The camper is currently patent pending. So if you'd like to find out more information on our camper, you can find us on our website at wombatcamper.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram.